Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I decided to take a week off of this channel just to focus more on my gaming channel, and if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. But it was a very rough week to take a break from my channel because, as you know, I am pretty new to investing in cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency took quite a dive last week. So I still have not recovered. I'm going to tell you guys how much money I've lost at this point. However, I'm still holding on to my cryptocurrency. I haven't actually lost any money yet. I'll only lose that money once I actually sell. But at this point, I'm just kind of waiting and hoping everything goes back up. So let's start with WeBull. So as you can see here, my dogecoin, I am down $800. Before the whole crypto market crash, I was up like $1,200. So essentially, I kind of lost out on $2,000 here if I were to sell now, but why would you do that? I'm just going to wait to see if Dogecoin decides to actually hit the moon. So right there, down $2,000 in terms of my cryptocurrency investing. So we're going to jump over to Coinbase. Okay, so on Coinbase, I had around $2,200. So on Coinbase, I am just down $700. So in total for my loss at this point, if I were to sell everything, let's see here, I was down, say, $2,000 on WeBull plus so $2,700 in the red at the moment, which is a pretty significant amount for the size of my portfolio. So really hoping things go back up. Most of my portfolio here on Coinbase is Cardano. I can't remember exactly how much worth of Cardano I had, but I just know my portfolio balance at one point before the market crash was 2,200. So have some Cardano, have some Bitcoin, and have some Ethereum. And as you can see, just looking at the market, it is going down again today. So let me know what you guys are doing. Are you guys just kind of holding through all of the crypto market crash? Have you guys sold already? Did you guys sell before all of this happened? And if you did, let me know how you knew to sell, and I'll try to take some advice from you. Okay, jumping over to Trust Wallet. Here I had $700 worth of SafeMoon. And at this point, my $700 dropped down to about $500. At some point, I did have around like $1,200 worth of SafeMoon as well because it was going pretty high, but now it dropped all the way down to $500, heading towards $400. But we'll see what happens over the weekend, and hopefully everything recovers at some point. So there we go. That is my current Trust Wallet portfolio. So my net loss, if I were to sell everything, you could say would be around like $3,200 if I were to take all the profit when I sold at my highest point. So going over to my Binance portfolio. Okay, so here on Binance, I did have $500, and this one didn't drop as much as everything else just because I have such a low dollar amount on Binance. But as you can see, I have a bunch of random coins on Binance, with the primary coin on here being Cardano. I have 148 on here, and it's just really rough right now. So again, never invest in something if you're not totally okay with losing 100% of your investment. I'm okay if I lose all of this. Like, I'm okay just to have the money sit there for, a couple months, couple years if needed. It's just kind of disappointing to look at your portfolio after you've been seeing green for so long just to see most of your portfolio pretty red. But this just gives me opportunities to focus my time and energy into other ways to make money as well. So we're just going to let the crypto sit at this point in time. And my primary money makers at this point is this YouTube channel, my secondary YouTube channel, and I'm currently working on a third. So I might start making videos about how to grow a YouTube channel, or how much YouTube is paying me, how I grew my YouTube business, that type of thing, in addition to how I make some of my other passive or active income sources. So let me know what you guys think, and maybe how I manage my personal budget, and what I'm going to do to prepare for Spath Jr. coming up here in a few months, and what it's going to look like to switch from a 2-person income household to a 1-person income household. So that should be fun. I'm going to be taking you guys on a ride because the ultimate theme of this channel is just, saving and making money. So I just like talking about finances, and it's just really fun for me. So let me know how your portfolios are doing. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.